All right, so we just finished up this Aventador. This is not your typical Aventador. It's not an SVJ, it's not an SV, it's not even an S. This is a regular Aventador Roadster. We've done some modifications to it, as you can see. It has the Aventador S front bumper, and it has a 1016 Industries body kit. So it has the carbon fiber hood, as you can see over there. It has the carbon fiber lower lip. It has side skirts, it has wing. It has aftermarket wheels, and it's very, very loud as well. We just wrapped this thing in this Nardo gray color. He originally had it in Nardo gray, wanted it to be satin pearl white. We did that, and then he wanted to go back to Nardo gray. So back to Nardo gray it is. All the carbon fiber looks amazing on gray as usual. This car, honestly, this car sounds really, really nice because we're so used to that SVJ F1 sound that this one sounds different than all the other Aventadors. I actually liked driving it. However, it still has that obviously single clutch transmission, so it's, you know, it takes a lot out of you when you drive it. So really, really cool car. As you can see, we've been working on the Aventador for 10 years at this point, and it's crazy to see that they're that old. They look good still, but we're gonna make way for the Rivuato coming up. So hope you guys enjoy it. All right, guys, I'm standing in front of this beautiful black badge Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This is a wide body project. We're excited for this one because it is the new version of the Novitec Kit. As you can see, the front bumper is on there right now. We test fitted already the rest of it. As you can see, parts are off the car. This car, we are not going to be painting the kit. We will be wrapping this car in a two-tone configuration. We will be leaving the top half glass black, and we will be doing the side of it in satin black, which will include these bumpers, of course. So the new Novitec Kit finally has lights in the front, and finally it has a full rear bumper replacement. So we are the first in the US to do this. We're super excited to get it done for you guys.
All lines all fit. Every single line is perfect. They just little things I have to fix. You know, like well, this spot where you glue it. So for the installation, it's not just put them on. You know, like many people think, but we have to fix sometimes a couple of parts, and we have to make it fix, make it well. So
the
like
carbon's
that.
nice.
Oh, this piece is bro. This is something different. Papa, look. Oh, look. It's coming inside like this. So it's, and this one I can say, this one I don't do nothing. I don't want nothing. That's installation. The guy do this design. He used the brains. Because yeah, it's something different about
You like it?
Oh yeah, I like the design. If you see the rear diffuser, you see right here like nothing, huh? Papa has different designs, all different designs. Very, very, very nice. I love it. I like it.
Good, very good, very good. Thank you.
$100 more.
All right, I'm standing between two of my Range Rover wheels. Unfortunately, these wheels got scuffed up, and they are custom painted wheels. So we took them off the car, and we are repainting them. Remember, my car was the Satin Pearl White wrap, and the wheels, we color matched it with paint to Satin Pearl White. So it's a long story, big process. We have it all sanded, masked up. We didn't want to take the tire off, because once you paint it also, and then you dismount the tire, you can smudge the paint, because it is very like thick paint. So we're going to be painting these back to Satin Pearl White. These are the RDB 0.2 wheels. They are one of my favorite designs. They have an outer flange and then kind of like a Rolls-Royce style center. So really beautiful wheel. Contact us to purchase your set. We're inside the RDB paint booth here, and we're standing in front of my Range Rover wheels. These were unfortunately damaged, so we are repainting them. And as you can see, Satin Pearl White. This is a beautiful color. One of my favorite all-time colors, honestly. You can't get a more crazy sheen looking paint finish like this. And this is matching the wrap of my car. So same color as the wrap, Satin Pearl White. It's missing the cap, obviously, because that was good to go. But this wheel is beautiful, one of my favorite wheels. This is the RDB 0.2. We ship our wheels worldwide. We could do custom paints for you guys or powder coats, whatever you need. Also guys, these wheels, we literally started on them today and we finished them today. So that's pretty crazy. We also painted another car and a ton of other work. So it's not like we stopped everything for them, but this is a couple-hour job right here. Special project over here. This is a Lamborghini Urus with the Mansory kit. As you can see, we usually do a lot of 1016. This is a Mansory kit, forged carbon, tri-tip exhaust, center exhaust in the back. This car came to us in a green color, Verde Mantis. This is the Urus green color. It's very lime green, and it's too bright for this car, especially with this drastic body kit, wide body on there. So we are currently wrapping it in this amazing matte Nardo gray color. And it looks amazing already. It's he wanted a full matte, not satin. With the matte, all these lines, all that stuff kind of gets dulled out, and you emphasize on more of the carbon stuff. Other than that, we're not touching anything else. We're gonna leave green stripes all over it because the interior does have green as well. The wheels are still Mansory wheels. We're gonna be redoing the green stripe. But stay tuned. Next episode, you guys will see this full car completed, a full Mansory wide body Urus.
Thought there was a wheel in there?
What's going on?
An idiot.
Are you in the box? The box is broken.
Where did you go? Okay, hold on. Leave it. Yeah.
Yeah, this is better. Yeah,
This is good.
Look at how short. Look at how short you look.
I can't even fucking walk. You ever go to the thing boxing classes?
Come with me, bro. Let's get into shape. Everyone's calling me fat on YouTube. Don't make fun of Moses. Mono should watch his own weight. You're right. You're right. I'm watching it now.
Need to show everybody.
Why don't you go to boxing classes?
Me?
Yeah.
I'll go. We could do like a little boxing fight against everyone.
I think Moses would be a crazy boxer. He's strong, man. Moses is strong. Stupid people are strong.
No, him in UFC.
Can you imagine his hair flopping in?
or the WWE?
Oh,
What would
did
his
you,
name be?
did you see what's his name? WWE. It was his last Rick. Well, no.
Ric Flair?
WWF. Ric Flair retired.
He retired?
What did
Yeah.
he retire? He's 97? Of course he retired.
It was his last
Woo!
fight, so yeah, it was cool.
You like Ric Flair?
No, was it him or no? It was Sting.
Hulk Hogan.
No, man. Who was it?
Mankind? The Rock.
Sting. Who was it?
Stingray?
Sarkis retired.
Kane? Undertaker? Bring them all out.
It's a stolen Cullinan. Okay. This man, he's a hardworking man. He finally got a Cullinan he always wanted. 2 months later, they were staying at a hotel in Atlanta. When they tried to check out, they waited an hour and they couldn't find the car. The owner did a subpoena to get the security footage. It showed valet giving the keys to another person who disappears with the car. The car showed up in Houston, Texas, and was found from a YouTube video. So he was watching YouTube and saw a Cullinan in Texas, same color combination, same interior. It was like a very special interior. And they had changed the rims and they put these basically Texas swangas, they call it, which is like these things that stick out of the wheels. And is driving around the car, having fun. And I think apparently I heard they were renting it out too.
The guy got interviewed and they were like, "What color is this interior?" He's like, "Oh, this is a special blue." It's gonna show the video. Where's it at?
That's the owner of the car. And
I think it's right here.
And basically,
so the valet walks up to this caddy, gives the keys to that guy.
Yeah, it's set up.
Yeah,
crazy.
right here.
Yep, crazy setup. And then Jack is calling in, and then they don't even care. They don't like chop it up. They put crazy wheels on it and they like showboat it.
So how was the valet and the other guy that came
Look at
to
it.
pick up the
That's
car?
his car they jacked.
Is that the music video? Is that the video they did on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How was the valet guy and the guy that got the keys in the same place at the same time?
What do you mean? What? It's
So,
it's a
like-
setup, bro. They know each other.
Yeah, he gave the guy the keys. The guy took the car. They shipped the car
To
to
Atlanta.
Texas.
No, from Texas to Atlanta.
Yeah.
Or was
Atlanta
it vice
to
versa?
Texas.
Oh yeah, you're right. Atlanta to Texas. Yeah.
Why would you do that?
Thieves, man.
First, why would you steal the
No,
car?
what I'm trying to say is, was that valet guy working there for years, or was it just like a one?
Well, they're
one
also
night-
stealing cars and doing the street shows and catching. They're burning the cars. They're not stealing the car and making money. They're stealing the car and they're like having fun with it.
Subscribe. If you like the video, thumbs up. See you next time. Órale.